Hello, everybody. Excuse my voice. This is for the January 2025 New Year's Timu Swap collaboration in honor of Miss Faye Blatcher, who put this together to start with and suddenly passed away on us. So I'm going to open my packet. My partner was Pia. So let me see what I got. The top off. Yeah, I don't cut anything else. Okay. The top off. Okay. First thing up, she got me a purple rose. I love purple. And it is beautiful. Second up, this is the Train Road. I'm going to have to open it and see what it is. It's a epoxy mold. My fingers are not wanting to work. You know how that just, oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is a kitty cat. Beautiful cat. Okay. Oh God, she's got this bag full of stuff. This is a key ring. Yep. Open. Like I said, my fingers don't work too good these days. Don't need to drop anything. It's a little ball with a purple J on it. Beautiful. Okay. This is a little epoxy mold. It's, well, if I can see. I can't even see right now. I went out to the post office and back. So I don't even know what I'm doing, hardly. Let's get it open here. Since it has such a little piece. Okay. It's paw prints. I don't know if you can see the inside of it or not. But they're little paw prints. Beautiful. I'm going to lay them inside the cat so I don't lose them. They're so small. Oh, and these are earring molds. They got the little thing at the top so you can tell they're earring molds. Also use them for keychains, I guess. According to what you want to use them for. Oh my God. There's what they look like. They're pretty. Very pretty. Oh, the ABCs in glitter. All different colors. Good. Another pretty book. Did I drop something? Oh, I don't know if this opens. Sit the bag where I can get down in it. Oh God, that don't want to open that way. Not my luck. I can open things hardly. Oh, this is one of them little dish with lid things. Yes, that is pretty. Okay, this is a big Odette with, I don't know what the stand is, what that is, but we'll figure it out. Oh, it's her stand. Yeah, cat. I'm knocking things down. A heart with a puppy dog in it and a paw print. I hadn't seen some of these before. Another one of them bags you can't get open without cutting. You know how that goes. Whoops. Sorry about that. I hit my stand. Okay. This is a candle holder. It's supposed to be a lotus flower. I think. Oh. Hold on, there's more down in there. Right there. And a pair of purple earrings. They're puppy dogs. Balloon animals. Now this I'm not sure what it is yet. She's put something in here like this. Oops. Oh God. Oh my stars. I love it, Pia. I love it. It's a coffee cup with purple flowers in it. And the flowers move. That's beautiful. I haven't seen one like that. I'll have to use that one. Beautiful. And I love everything she sent. I hope and pray when she gets her package that she loves what she got. At least so I know how she is about some things that she likes. And I'm hoping I picked out pretty good for her. If I didn't, maybe next time I'll know better. Y'all have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.